Bryce, what's the difference between messing around and science?
I don't know.
Writing stuff down. Get ready for some quasi-science. We're gonna run these prototype hidden blades through a series of tests, not to see how sharp they are, but to see how useful they would be to a modern member of the Brotherhood from Assassin's Creed. Are they stealthy? Are they effective? What are they capable of?
Yes, science! Test number, 1. Will it slice? Go.
Professor, test 1 results, please.
Well, Professor, according to my notes, it slices.
So what you're saying is it will heal.
That is correct, Professor.
Thank you, Professor.
You're welcome, Professor.
Science!
Test 2.
Noise level. Begin. 75.6 decibels.
After considering the results of test 2, we decided to do test 2.1 because it doesn't really matter how loud it is to someone that's right next to me because they will very shortly be removed from the equation. So how loud is it to someone that's near me instead of next to me?
52.3.
Test number 2 results. Up close, 75 decibels.
That's about the same as a toilet flushing.
And from far away, 52 decibels.
That's about the ambient noise level in an office or a cat fart.
Very quiet.
Stealthy.
Very stealthy. Science.
Test 3. Stabbing. Begin.
Hoo ha! Ya! Ah! Test 3 results.
Well, according to the calculations, it will stab.
Indubitably.
Radical.
Oh, science!
Test number 4. Visual inspection.
Are my hidden blades actually hidden?
Let's begin. Okay, let's see. Wearing a hooded sweatshirt. Some metallic sounds on the arm. Oh, back here we have just a normal solid gray backpack. Put your hands up. Got some orange veins, very odd. All right, I'm just gonna look over here for one moment and aha! Upon close examination, I have found no hidden blades. Very stealthy.
Look, science isn't an exact science.
Here comes the first major test, because the main difference between these and all other hidden blades is that mine are able to stab point blank because they have so much force for the extension. But we need to see just how effective that is with a practical test.
Test 5. Go. Point blank ballistic gel test with the win.
Science.
It's time for the ultimate test to determine if these hidden blades are truly effective.
In order for you to pass this test, you need to execute a point blank stab and slice that destroys all 3 of these goo tubes that are mounted within this ballistic gel cylinder. These 3 goo tubes represent critical areas an assassin might target. It's a neck. All right, Jairus, all of your hard work and training has led to this one critical moment. Are you ready?
I think so.
Then let's begin.
Okay.
Yep. It worked. It's time for challenges. Speed. Pop the balloons as fast as you can. Go. Precision. Pumpkin carving. Go. Agility. Your target has high blood pressure. Don't get sprayed.
I think I succeeded.
Yeah, you cut it open.
It didn't get me. We had planned for it to spray all over me.
Good job.
I passed.
Precision and speed. Your sister just called and said you need to bring sliced watermelon to the picnic, and she needs it now. Begin. Let me check the results. Delicious. Speed. It's movie night and your friends need popcorn. Open the bag. One moment. Go.
Ha!
Fail.
What? You said open the bag. That was so fast.
It's all over the floor. Your friends don't want to eat floor popcorn, Jairus.
My last project, the Halo rocket launcher, I did a hand-drawn blueprint, and I wasn't planning to do that for this project, but these turned out so awesome, they're so useful, and just so much fun that I changed my mind, and I made one for these two. It's available on my website now. It might make a great Christmas present. I don't know. I'll see you next time.